Now, let's talk about the safety of use ng baran. So, alam na natin that they are decorative, it gives visual interest or a pop of color to your bento. So, apart from that, the question is, pwede mo ba tong i-reuse? Okay, so generally, itong mga plastic na to, they are plastic. And the type of material, I think, is PET or PET. I don't know how to pronounce it, hindi ako chemist. Pero, yung PET or PET, yan ay yung same material na ginagamit sa paggawa ng mga mineral water bottles. Those mineral water bottles, in case you're not familiar, single-use lang yan. Hindi yan pwedeng ginagamit. Why? Kasi, again, these can promote contamination. Bakit? Kasi over time, ang plastic, kapag na-reuse mo siya, it can form micro cracks. Tapos, nagde-degrade siya, nagiging siyang microplastic. Pag naging microplastic siya, it can, of course, pollute your body. So, ganun siya. Ganun yung nagiging effect sa katawan ng mga tao kapag nire-reduce mo yung mga PET or mga microplastics na yan. So, ito talaga, disposable talaga siya. Ngayon, ito siguro, kung environmental friendly ka, like, ako, I'm trying to be, better to use itong mga silicone kasi ito, washable and reusable. Okay, so that I hope that clears up the question about baran. And I hope nasagot yung mga tanong ng ating mga bento beshi tungkol sa baran. Okay, so sa mabilisang bento, di ba sabi nga nila, if you can't perform, Japorm. Ako naman, if you can't charan, baran. That's it, bento beshis. Bento bonding and beyond. Join the bento beshi adventure.